Alright, welcome to Chaos. I'm out here. I have not been out here in a month and a half with these guys. Not since Willow Pass. Because I'm not sure what the dynamic's going to be like now. Willow was kind of my dog that would go and kind of round Jackson and Millie up. So I only have one dog, Rocky, that's cautious about what's going on. But I really want to get out here before, the bears start waking up. They could be up now, but before we have to deal with too much wildlife.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that.
A 4-foot barrel buried there. All my wood's under here. Well, I'm gonna get these guys some water, try and get some stuff set up, and then I'll get back to you guys.